Just having a cup of tea. Okay. Right, guys, we've just had somebody send back an extra large because it's free shot on them. And it's free shot because what they did is when they pushed it together, they basically pushed the button in when they were closing it and it fired it off on the inside and it's caused the free shot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to repair it. Okay, it's really simple. Okay, so let me see if I can just tilt this down a little bit so I can show you here. So what we have is we have the metal ring there, and what's happening is it's going up but it's not opening, it's not engaging the canopy. So if you look there, you can see that that metal ring has been knocked down, okay, because it's reversed it on the inside and it's fired it down. So the really simple thing to do now is all we need to do is knock that back, and the way that we're going to do that is we've got an adjustable spanner. We put it over there like so, put that on there, and then we knock it down. Now sometimes it's quite hard to knock it down depending on how many times you've actually fired it off. So the easy way to do it is to basically put it down so that the metal shaft on the inside, that bit, is touching the floor. And if you put that on the floor and then you knock it down, it basically will give you a bit more leverage when you hit it. We've opened up the canopy, so it's now touching the floor. Push that down, and all I do is I take the spanner here, I put the spanner over the top of there, so it's sitting on top like that, and all we're trying to do is knock it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a hammer and I'm going to go, and that is now perfectly in place. Okay, so now that we've pushed that back together, all I need to do now, if I push the button, it opens every time. There you go. So easy fix, sort the solution out, always read the instructions. If you do make the mistake of actually doing that, don't worry about it. It's not broken, it can be fixed. Okay, stay good.